Hi everyone, today let us see how to solve the black screen problem of the OBS Studio's display capture or game capture. So this is a common error in Windows 10, so let's see how to solve this. So first thing what you have to do is right click on the Windows and then go to the display settings. There you have to search for the graphic settings. It is down here and click on the graphic settings. Then browse OBS Studio. So click on the browse option and then go to the local disk C. There click on the program files and then there you have to find the OBS Studio. So as soon as you go into the OBS Studio, go to the bin and then 64-bit. There you have to select the OBS 64 as it is a 64-bit computer or personal computer. So click on the OBS 64 and add it. So then go to the options and switch the system default to power saving. From system default to power saving, it has to be in power saving option. Save. Now close all the tabs, close this OBS Studio tab, just refresh one time and then restart the OBS Studio. So here you go, the display capture of the OBS Studio has been fixed and it works perfectly, and the same goes with the game capture. Same method can be followed and you can fix the error of black screen in the OBS Studio. So this is it for today. Stay tuned for the next video and thank you for watching.